Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. So in the last week market analysis video, we have discussed about some of the stocks that were looking good for accumulation. And we have discussed about the broader picture of market, and there have been some structural changes right now. And जो है सब बातें हैं we have already discussed in the last week video. So one can check the last week analysis video as well. And if you have not watched our video, or if you have not subscribed our channel yet, then what are you waiting for? You can just subscribe to our channel and also do like this video, because it will be a more interesting video now, because there are some structural changes and there is some good opportunities lying in the market. So let's start with the market analysis video now. So we will first start with the Nifty analysis. So Nifty के अंदर I just hide the 200 days EMA. सो एज ऑफ नाउ अगर हम टेक्निकल चार्ट पैटर्न देखें, सो निफ्टी हेड फॉर्म अ डबल बॉटम, एंड उसके बाद है यहाँ पे जो डेक्लाइन बना था, यहाँ पे जो स्विंग हाई बना था और पिवट हाई वट एवर वी से, उसके ऊपर निफ्टी हेड ऑलरेडी गिवन अ ब्रेकआउट. सो जो लास्ट डे का जो क्लोजिंग है, इट हैपेंड अबाउट द ब्रेकआउट अबाउट द पिवट हाई लेवल. And we can say that the very structure of the market had changed right now, and market like the bulls should get some relief. So this is a good sign for bulls. Other than this, जो हम लोग lower high and lower low का जो हम लोग discuss करते हैं in all the videos. So just if I want to show that, so this was the high, this was the low, again this high and this low. So I just take this low, again this high, this low and this high. I just change the color of this so that it is visible. सो ये जो हमारा जो डाउ थियरी है, या फिर जो हम लोग लोअर हाई लोअर लोज बोलते हैं. सो इन दिस वीक जो निफ्टी के अंदर जो पैटर्न बना था, इट इज सॉर्ट ऑफ लाइक लोअर जो हमारा हायर लोज बना है, एंड अगेन जो हायर हाइज बन रहा है निफ्टी के अंदर. So this is a good positive sign for market, and because of this, like we can see some good sort of up move in market as well. And after this breakout, agar hum target nikale on the basis of this breakout, so I just calculate the target level. So this is the high and this low, and इसको हम सिर्फ ब्रेकआउट के ऊपर ऐड कर देंगे. So the first target that we are expecting in Nifty is at this level, which is 18,200, and luckily this level is same to as same this ये जो level है यही है, and this was the pivot high that we had before this swing high. So this is a coincidence, but yeah, this target we are expecting in Nifty in the short term, and जो हमारा stop loss रहेगा, it will be this level जो 16,900 है. So जो risk reward it is 1:1, and if you are trading in Nifty, so if you are a beginner, then you can go ahead with Nifty Bs instead of going with futures or options. Other than this, you can look for the opportunities in the stocks, because there are many interesting opportunities, and those stocks there, some of the stocks have corrected like anything. So you can check the fundamentals, you can check the chart patterns, so you can focus on charts as well. So now let's see Nifty bank analysis. So I just open the EMA. So जो हमने last week discuss किया था, so the EMA से यहाँ पे निफ्टी ने support लिया है अच्छा सा, and again this blue line was a trend line support, and as of now we can see that यहाँ पे निफ्टी had formed a good base, and यहाँ पे like we can expect a good sort of up move in bank nifty as well. Other than this, यहाँ पे good अच्छा सा base बन के bank nifty had also given a close about this resistance line, जो कि I just draw it. This was the strong this was a resistance line जब ये bank nifty correct कर रहा था, इसके बाद the last candlestick had closed about the high level about this resistance line. So this is a good sign for bank nifty as well. If you want, you can like accumulate bank Bs or some banking stocks, जो कि हमने last week भी discuss किया था at this level. So this was the crucial point. We were bullish on bank nifty from the last week as well. So you can just check all the videos, the last week video as well. So Bank Nifty is also bullish, and one can like add Bank Base. If you are a beginner, don't go with Bank Nifty futures or options. So you can just accumulate Bank Bs, or you can just go ahead and check the charts of some banking stocks. If they are bullish, then you can buy those stocks as well. So this is about the Nifty Bank analysis, and as of now, we can see a sign of like a positive or bullishness in Bank Nifty as well. एंड जो हमारा स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा बैंक निफ्टी में, इट विल बी दिस कैंडल लो जो करंटली इट इज 35,300. So this will be a stop loss, and you target it is the higher levels that one can expect. So this is about the bank nifty. Now one surprise for all. So after a long time, there is some input in this sector rotation sheet that was shared with everyone, so you can access this sector rotation sheet. And if you have missed this video, which is so in this video we have discussed about the sector rotation sheet. So if you have missed this video, you can just check it. And इसका हमने link already share किया, so one can access the sector rotation sheet as well from your own laptop, which I would suggest you should prefer. You can use your mobile phone as well. So on in the sector rotation sheet, अभी जो हम देख रहे हैं, so Nifty FMCG is positive after a long time, and if we see Nifty FMCG chart as well. So if we see this correction in Nifty FMCG index, so ये जो correction के percentage terms में अगर हम देखें, so it is a correction of around 12 to 12.5% in FMCG index. And as of now, the Nifty FMCG index had formed a good base or good support to good support at 200 days EMA line, which is this red line. And if we just zoom in, तो यहाँ पे जब भी निफ्टी एफएमसीजी लोअर लोज बना रहा था, तो यहाँ पे इट हैड फॉर्म अ डबल बॉटम. ये हमारा नेकलाइन है, इसके ऊपर निफ्टी द एफएमसीजी इंडेक्स हैड गिवन अ क्लोज. So this is the sector that I will focus on for short term, and I will check individual charts of all the stocks in FMCG index, and I will buy the best one which is good as per the technical and fundamental analysis. So I would suggest to check charts of all the FMCG index, and if you find any chart interesting, then you can share it on our Twitter profile. You can just mention it in the comment section. We will review it together. So this is the homework for all of you right now. And other than this, into neckline breakout decay, it had this is showing a good sign of reversals now. So one can focus on FMCG index as well. So this is about the sector rotation sheet, and now we will go on to the two stocks that we have shortlisted for upcoming weeks. So the first stock is IEX, जिसने last day breakout दिया था. So it had formed a rounded bottom pattern, and it had given a breakout above this closing. So this is a line chart. Just for simplicity, we are using this. So it had given a breakout above its all-time high level, and it had formed a rounded bottom pattern as well. So one can buy IEX at 295. जो हमारा stop loss है, it will be 230, and the first target is 390 in IEX. So this is some sort of like 2:3 risk reward. So you can check out IEX as well for short-term trading. The next stock that we have shortlisted is Infosys. I just open the candle chart, and अगर हम Infosys के बारे में देखें, and if we compare it with the IT industry, तो Infosys is the strongest stock compared to all the other IT companies, because it had corrected very less, unlike TCS जो 20% correct किया था from all-time high level. So it is stock that is showing strength, and if IT sectors gain momentum, then definitely this could be a stock that can be can drive rally in IT index as well. So one should focus on Infosys. So one can just check all the data as well. So the first scenario that after looking at this chart is Infosys का जो chart है, it is consolidating right now. यहाँ पे जो है subsequent highs, यहाँ पे जो highs बना रहे हैं, यहाँ पे जो low बना रहे हैं, and it is now like narrow हो रहा है this range. This range is getting narrow. So the trading setup can be one can accumulate this Infosys at current price, which is 1759, and if as long as Infosys is in this range, one can add more if it breaks this blue line. So as of now, the level is around 1775. one can wait for that level for the confirmation, or one can accumulate at this level as well. जो हमारा स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा, इट विल बी दिस कैंडल लो विच इज 1690, एंड जो हमारा टारगेट रहेगा, इट इज कैलकुलेटेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रेंज कैलकुलेशन मेथड, एंड जो हमारा टारगेट है इट इज 1974 इन दिस केस. सो जो टारगेट वी हैव राउंडेड इट ऑफ टू 1970 नाउ. So this is again a decent trade, having like a reward of around 200 points, and जो risk है हमारा जो it is around 60-70 points. So 1:3 risk reward again. So this is again a stock that should be that one can track definitely for the next week. So these are the two stocks that I have in the watch list as of now, and you can definitely follow us on our Twitter and Telegram channel, so where you can find all the latest updates as well. So if you have if this video helped you and in your analysis in the week, like your homework or in your market analysis, then you can like this video, and also do subscribe to our channel, because we are very small channel and we need your support. So you can like and subscribe definitely, and you can share it with others as well. There's a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.